When we press the KineMaster app, the front interface will be like this. So at the middle you can see the plus sign. When you press the plus sign, we are ready to start a new video. So shall we press the plus sign? So now that next interface will be like this. We need to select the aspect ratio. But what to select? Mostly if we use the horizontal board, it is better to select 16:9 ratio. But some of the teachers uses the vertical boards. So if we use the vertical boards, then it is better to use the 9:16 ratio. But mostly these two only selected. I use to select 16:9. Please select 16:9. When we press the 16:9 ratio aspect, then we will get the next interface like this. Now most of the time to prepare the video, we will be here in this interface only. 90% of the work we'll do here only. Every time we need to come to this interface. So there on the top, did you see the media? Yes, that is the next thing we need to press. But before making the KineMaster app, I advise you to take the video class before only, 20 minutes video class. And according to the video class, the requirement of pictures or any video clips, mostly the pictures, video clips, GIFs or whatever you wanted to add for this, that you download before only. Okay, now look at the media and we will press on the media now. We press the media, we will get this type of interface. Means these all the files are there in your phone. So different file names you can see. So mostly if you have downloaded, you can get under the download thing. If some of your friend have downloaded and is sent through WhatsApp, then you can see in the WhatsApp images and WhatsApp images. And if you stored any special file, that file you can see. So depends upon the requirement, you can choose that particular thing and you need to press on it. So I am pressing on NCRT file here. That one will be, that consists so many videos I have recorded. That video's background, you can see that green screen I have put. Actually I did not use the board, whiteboard or blackboard, green board also. I use the green color background so that I can use more graphics and to make a video more attractive. So while explaining the lesson, it is your wish. You can use the blackboard, whiteboard or green board. That is a different thing. Or without board also you can explain if you don't want any graphics from your part. To make more attractive, I wanted to be in front of a green background, and I stood in front of big green background, and I have taken continuously the classes at different time periods, but mostly 20 minutes I have chosen. Even background pictures are also there in that particular folder. So instead of selecting the video, as I have stood in front of green background, now this green background will be replaced by this picture. Now from now onwards, this picture will be the background for my presentation. If we have different background pictures, that will be so useful and more attractive also. So depends upon the chapters, topics also we can have the backgrounds. So I'm clicking on this background I have chosen. I got this interface now. Did you see the down yellowish mark? Yes, that is very important now. So press on the yellowish mark, and at the edge of that yellow rectangle you can see one small line is on the breadth. So you have to put your finger on that thicker line, and move your finger by keeping your finger on that line only. So as much as possible you need to stretch, most probably till the end. Then your background will be the same and it will not be changed. Now, as background is fixed, the next step is to go for the video explanation part. And the second step here, layer, did you see that layer? You press on the layer, then this type of interface will open: media, effect, overlay, text, handwriting. All have their own importance, but for this beginning learning, mostly we need to use the media again here. This is the second media. So as this particular one is heart of the editing part. So once the background is completed, now we are going to put our video explanation. If you have taken the explanation in front of whiteboard or blackboard or green board, that is also will be there. Or if you explain in front of green background, that is also will be there. But as green background will not be visible from now onwards if you go for the media. Okay, now here we need to press the media. When we press the media, again we will go to that particular files part. There we need to select the media. Now that video, whichever you wanted to put, mostly the 20 minutes video, we have to press. Then above background 20 minutes video will be there. Now video also will be 20 minutes will be there. Once we press that our video will come on the screen like that. So how much time is there? That second horizontal line at the bottom, yellow color one, is your video. But on the screen you need to adjust. You can see that picture with the arrow marks and all those things. Now make your own adjustments. You can make it up, you can make it down, you can enlarge it. How much you wanted to have, that one you can do. So here I wanted to drag it to the left bottom. So for that entire video explanation will come in that particular box only. So this one you can drag it, make it a side. Next time, so we need to adjust the particular video clip by holding it. You can keep anywhere on the screen. I wanted to put it completely left side down. Then my video came like this. Now I can stretch it, I can keep it down, and I can make the complete video also, so as per the requirement. So we have done two things till now. First thing is, for 20 minutes we have kept a single background, and second is the 20 minutes recorded video I kept at the bottom according to my wish. It depends upon your requirement, you can change that arrow marks on it. You can use it to crop. Next the step is, we need to give a beautiful background for this particular thing. Now the green screen can be eliminated by going to the cropping part, chroma key. Now we are going to see the purpose of the chroma key. Where did you identify the chroma key here? Did you? So that human picture is there, no? The first column, the third row, that small human picture is there, no? That is the chroma key. Press it. Now you will get this type of interface. Now mostly here you need to work a lot to understand how to do these things. So this is a very key part. Why? Because this one will help us to make our videos best. So here that chroma key, you can use those keys to adjust here and there. Then automatically the green part will get disappear. You can see now that green part is slowly disappearing. I am wearing those variables on the top. So that variables, if by moving, keeping your finger on those, by adjusting that green color will be faded slowly. So the green color as it is faded, you are there, you only will be visible and no background will be there. The background already we have chosen. So now two parts again completed, your video, explanation and background. Now pics, one picture by one picture, again we need to add. So this is the most difficult part. Why? Because as per as our explanation, the concerned picture if comes on the remaining blank space, then our explanation will look more attractive. So as already when we do the recording, we already have downloaded the pictures. After listening the recording, you just put the time slot for the pictures, then our work will be easy. Now to keep the pictures, press the layer, then this for interface will come. Now again everything will be useful in keeping the pictures, but for us here the media on the top, media is there though, that is very important. Now when we press on media, again we'll go back to the files management part. There we can find the files. These pictures you can find in camera or downloaded or WhatsApp, whichever the file picture is there, that particular file you have to choose. So now I am choosing one picture related to my explanation. Suppose potential energy, I wanted to say that one picture I have taken water tank. So that is present in this folder, that water tank. Did you see the water tank? So now this water tank picture, you can easily guess why I am using. I wanted to explain the potential energy. So that related picture I have downloaded, that is there here. Now when I press on it, again we'll come back to our interface part, formal interface part. So you can see that is now visible. This is the third part. Now here onwards you need to do background, after video, now pictures. Now this picture you can adjust where you want, there you can keep, and how much size you want, that much of size you can keep, and you can drag also here and there. So if you choose this one, along with the explanation, this picture also will be visible to the student. But the thing is, we need to go for best and as many pictures as possible. But it is not good to go for many pictures. So select the pictures which gives more meaning so that we can go for the explanation. So I edited that particular part and I kept the tank on the right side of the screen. Now maybe you would have think that I am explaining the potential energy. No, I may use that water in the tank, how it has went up, I have done the work. So basing on that, my explanation links to that picture. Now you can see here. So water always flows from higher region to lower region. There will be some potential difference. The pressure difference which created because of the potential energy of the water, that water is flowing from higher regions to lower region. The same water current, water is flowing from the higher region to lower region. That's because of gravity.